I look like a pirate? Yes, I am a pirate. See, my eyes covered. How many eyes do I have? Only one. Okay, kids, listen. Today, pirates, they are in trouble too because they have to wear a mask, okay? So, yes, to protect themselves from the COVID-19, they put on a mask, okay? Right? Yes, I don't know how to do this, but okay, there you go. Mask, and they need to sanitize their hands, okay? So when we play the next time I see you, we put on our mask, we stay at a certain distance, we keep a distance, and we sanitize our hands with disinfectant, okay? All right, we purify our hands. Remember that. Put on the mask and sanitize our hands. Bye kids, see you soon. Don't worry, yes, I have 2 eyes. I'm okay. I have to wear glasses, but I've got 2 eyes. And I can see well. In fact, I can see you. Can you see me? I can see you. Hi kids. Hello. Ooh, look what I've got here. Our box. Miss Sonia's toolbox. Do you remember all my things? Yeah, you do. Let's see, what have I got here? Ooh, I've got some leaves. Yeah, leaves. But not for now, because now the summer is coming. So this is for autumn, huh? For the fall. Yeah, for the fall. And then, I've got cat eyes. Yeah, my masks, huh? Carnival mask, but this is not Carnival because Carnival is in winter, isn't it? Not in the summer. In fact, see? My Christmas bauble? No, not now. Okay, so let me see. What have I got here? Ooh, what's this? What is this? You know damn well. I've got juice. I've got milk. Hey, wait a minute. What have I got? I've got milk in my toolbox. Watch what I can do. I've got milk, juice, milk in my toolbox. I'm gonna share some with you. Do you remember our song? I hope you do because we're going to sing it again together, okay? I've got milk in my toolbox. Watch what I can do. Poor Sophie. I know what Sophie's gonna do with milk. She's gonna throw it away. Right, Sophie? Okay, Miss Sonia, let's go back. Let's go back to where we were. Where was I? Oh, yeah, orange juice. How the Ellison calls it? OJ. Huh? OJ, yeah. Ellison calls it OJ. Not Ellison. Daniel D. Okay, what else? Ooh, lots of flags in Miss Sonia's toolbox. Ooh, Peppa Pig is here too. Peppa Pig and a teddy bear. Yeah. Oops, what else? Lots of things in my toolbox. Yeah, lots. Remember our puddles? And lots of other things. Okay, so I will see you soon. I'm going to Carrara to play with you in English. We're gonna have lots of fun. Yes. See you soon. Do your homework. Send me your breakfast, okay? Tell mommy, show me Miss Sonia's videos because we need to revise, okay? All right. Bye.